Turning 100 Sol into 1000 Sol. How to pair trade Sol for beginners. I'm a Brit living in Belgium. Just joined at last, and my first ever question. In one of James's recent videos, you mentioned how easy it is to pair trade Sol and turn 100 Sol into 1000 Sol. And I'm new to this area, but could someone explain beginners how it's done and what strategies to follow? Okay, so first of all, we did this for quite a long time. We had 15 trades in a row that were successful. Then the 16th trade, I think everybody piled into the same trade, and we became targets of market makers. So, as I always stress, find your own rhythm, get a tool, get a method, get a process, dial it in with paper trading, and then go. Let's look at what I would do. The best tool for pair trading is pair trading between inversely correlated pairs. We call it pair trading on steroids. So what I do here, this is using Solana 3x long and short with pair trading on steroids in the 5-minute chart. Win rate 66%. That's not good. So I would skip that. But remember, you got to watch your standard deviations at the bottom. When we hit a bottom area at the bottom, that's the time to buy. And that has to correspond with the green triangle above, time to buy. And when you see the red, same thing, red is time to sell. But you wait in the trade until the trend turns. So this model comes with the optimized trading trend model, which is custom for every single asset on the planet. It writes its own algorithm based on the actual historical volatility of the asset. That's the first thing. So 5 minutes for PTOS, I would skip for Sol 3x long and short. Now, if we go to the 15-minute, the win rate goes up to 81%. Again, the more time you have, the better the odds of finding a pattern. If you look to the first third of the chart, you see that big blue rampage all the way up. Optimized trend is blue. You stay in the trade till it turns, and that keeps you in. Once it turns, then you get out. And the same thing, you follow the bottom line too. Then we go to the 1 hour. Win rate goes to 88%. 1 hour is very sweet for this. Same thing. Watch the bottom. You can very clearly see it bottoming, and then you wait for it to bounce and then go all the way up until it turns again like clockwork. And then we can go even more. 4 hour falls to 86%, but still very good. But the more time you have to zoom out, the more you can look at the trend and determine when you trade. It depends how much time you have. Can you look at the charts all day? Now, even though we're talking about pair trading on steroids, a lot of people don't have access to the exchanges that have these 3x long and short. So what I do, personally, I replicate it using 3x or 3.3x or 5x, whatever you want, long and short on Jupiter. But I use the chart as the signal, okay, with the assets, which is basically Sol 3x long on Gate.io and Sol 3x short on Gate.io as well. But I do not use Gate.io to trade. I use Jupiter to trade it. And you go long and short, put in your leverage ratio 3x, and then you're good to go. That's the best way. And we have people in the community that have mastered this and are killing it.